Kentucky round number 10.
Our season finale youth bikes. Are you ready to go MSXC racing?
All right, come on, let's get loud and get proud. One more time, Morgantown, Kentucky. Are you ready to go MSXC racing?
10 seconds, row number 1. Senior features Malachi York, Hudson Blevins, Colton Steele, Bladen Young, Reed Shepard, Michael Thomas, Jax Logan, Ashton Wall, Charles Thomas, Casey Gabbard, Nash Parker, Mason Edwards, and Cale Craighead. Take you to ride in. 10. Cut your backs off. Heel the back.
Row number 2, taking a ride in. 10 seconds.
Row number 3, your 85cc juniors featuring Arlo White, Ryan Scott, Ella Ford, Dylan Scott, Leland Cooper, Lane Barclay, Jackson Caproot, Carson Ashburn, Brody Mims, and David Klotz. Row number 3, taking a ride in. 10 seconds. Row number 3, your youth girls featuring Oakley Emerton and Farrah Bailey. Taking a ride in 10 seconds. Row number 5, your 65cc's feature Tivia Sloan, Callan Seller, Davey Fairfield, Aiden Perkins, Caden James, Jackson Liam, Cooper Klotz, Wyatt Frazier, Braden Wheat, and Axel Vadhauer. Taking a ride in 10 seconds. Row number 6, your youth 4-stroke, featuring Weston Pate. All right, everybody, clear the line. Row number 6, 10 seconds.